Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize large Canva projects efficiently, step by step in 2026, so your designs stay clean, searchable, and stress-free, even when you're handling a lot of files. Once your Canva account grows, things can get messy really fast. Multiple clients, hundreds of designs, different formats. Yeah, it adds up. But with the right system, Canva can actually feel organized and easy to manage. Start by using folders properly. Create main folders for each client, brand, or project. Inside those, add subfolders for things like social media, presentations, ads, or templates. This structure saves a huge amount of time later. Next, name your designs clearly. Avoid random names like Final One or New Version. Use a simple format that includes the project name, platform, and date. This makes searching fast and prevents confusion. Brand kits are another powerful tool. Set up brand colors, fonts, and logos for each client or brand. This keeps everything consistent and avoids mistakes when switching between projects. Inside individual designs, use pages wisely. Group similar layouts together and duplicate pages instead of creating new files every time. This keeps related designs in one place and makes updates easier. Canva's search and filter options also help a lot. Use keywords, filter by folders, or sort by last edited to quickly find what you need. Small habits like this save time every single day. For team projects, set clear sharing permissions. Give edit access only when necessary and use view-only links for reviews. This prevents accidental changes and keeps files clean. Before wrapping up a project, do a quick cleanup. Archive unused drafts, delete duplicates, and move final designs into a completed folder. Your future self will thank you. And that's how to organize large Canva projects efficiently, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva workflow tips, and I'll see you in the next one.